Okay, I heard that my grandma's basement is haunted. So let's just go see what's inside. I hate this basement, it's so creepy. Okay, close it. This basement is freaking weird. How the heck? This doesn't really seem that haunted to me, you guys. It's just a regular old... What was that? How did that fall? Just put it back. Okay, I have no idea why that just happened, and I'm really scared right now. It fell again! Oh my gosh. It's so creepy. Is this really haunted? I don't know what to believe. It's freaking scary. Where did that come from? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where am I supposed to go? That's it. I'm out of here. Go, go. They locked me in. They locked me in. Help me, guys. I don't know how to open this. I'm trapped. I'm really trapped. There's nowhere else to go. Oh my gosh. I want to leave. I want to go. I want to get out of here. Guys, this really is haunted. I don't know where else to go. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're throwing stuff at me. Oh no.